Now, Kenya is rooting for consolidation and harmonization of food system strengthening in line with the regional commitments to boost her food import portfolio. EU Delegation Programs Manager Stephen Wathome says once Ethiopia, Somalia and South Sudan attain sustainable food supply, other states will be able to tap into surplus food baskets to bridge the current food deficit. Currently, the government is putting in place measures to cut food imports by at least 50% and support local farmers. However, high cost of farm inputs, including fertilizer, and erratic weather patterns remain prohibitive.
The food, because of the climate crisis, it's not getting better, but countries are also investing heavily to ensure that they are able to cope up and they build a system, a resilient system, so that in case we have shocks, then we are able to cope with.
As such, Kenya is backing the adoption of integrated food systems regionally to replenish her food basket.
People are unable to purchase food, to have the resources to be able to go out there and purchase food, even when the food is available. So it becomes a scenario which is quite complex, but unless we all come together, the different countries now actually look at where they need and what they need to address, we will not be achieving much.
Stakeholders opine that attainment of food security by IGAD member states, including Ethiopia, Somalia and South Sudan, will drive increased intra-regional trade.
This is why we've convened here to have a high-level discussion on and build a strategy, a system. We need to do differently. We need to do things differently so that we build a food secure communities, countries and region.
The EU is further calling for data sharing among partners to avoid duplication of programs and financial drain.
And break the silos of project approach, country by country approach, agency by agency approach. I think the only way for us to address the challenges that the region is facing will be only to have an agreed upon theory of change, knowing how we fit into that theory of change, how we contribute to that, and not claiming that me as an agency, I can address it all. I just need to understand what is my role in that, how I contribute to that, and how I share my expertise and my experience in that respect.